Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to be making the accessories for Moon-chan. I'm going to be basing it somewhat on BS Apricot's design, while throwing in a couple elements of my own. I really love jewelry making, so I decided to give Moon-chan a necklace as well. So I started by taking some clear elastic, and then just threading on some iridescent beads. They are a whole bunch of different colors, and I thought they'd go well with the galaxy skirt. So we're going to do that onto 2 strands of the elastic cord, and then once those are all set, I'm going to take some scissors and trim off those long ties at the end. Next, we're going to take a gold-colored jump ring and use that to attach the rock charm to the base of the necklace, and I'm looping the jump ring around both strands of the beaded elastic. I'm using 2 strands because I was worried that since the rock is a little bit heavy, 1 strand wouldn't be enough, so that's why I decided to go with 2. To make Moon-chan's little flag hair clip, I got some iron-on small flags from my local Joann's and also a bobby pin that has a flat backing on it. Then, it's really easy, we're just going to take a hot glue gun and hot glue the flag onto the hairpin. These do technically already have an adhesive on it, but because it is from an iron-on, and I didn't want to iron on to the clip, and I'm not sure how well that would hold, that's why I went with the glue gun instead. And with that, Moon-chan's accessories are done. For more tutorial videos on how to make the rest of this costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!